Okay, second game. Oy, 2 points agad. Lay up, shot. Tinamaan agad. All 2. Ball pwede yan. Ay, ito. Erwin! Ako, parang mag-iipon ang score to si Erwin ngayon ha. Score, 4-2. Oy, Trey Young! Oy! Nice shot! By Trey Young. Mukhang gagawa ngayon si Trey Young ha. Bash. Oh! Jan, 2-pointer. Eljan from San Jose. Number 14. Castro, easy. T-drop, no good. Okay. Eto, mahusay ito eh. Pass to Bon. Easy 2 points. Very good. Trey. Shaq. Tumira, long 2. Mahina. Check ball.
Ay, pera ko yun!
Ay, magkalaban siya.
Ball.
Ano po?
Nice.
Ilan?
Number 14. Pass to Castro. Oops. Lost it. Lose the ball. Castro. 2-pointer. Oh, shooter talaga. Ball. Teardrop. Oh, 2 points. Number 14. 3-pointer. Tagilid. Napuwersa. 2 points. By Baste. Score 10-8. 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Jan, sa gitna. Pass to, balik to. Pass, 3-pointer. Short, Eljan. Veterans move. Shaquille O'Neal, tumira ng 3. Jan. Pass to Atits. Ay! Ball! Block! Clean block by number 14.
Yapang di po yun. Ang pangalan na?
Jester.
Block by Jester. Ram. P. Salvador. San Rafael. Rodriguez Bizal. Bash to Erwin. Erwin. Atake. No good. Jester. Lelay up. Kain. 2-pointer by Jester. Bash, babawi. Patay ang lamok. Patay ang lamok sa mukha. Eljan. Titira, fake shot. Uy! In and out. Power rebound. Shaq. Binaba ang bola ni Shaq. Uy! Runner shot. Kapos ang tira. Uy. Erwin. Erwin. Alcantara. Short. Time remaining 2 minutes and 44. Nice layup by Baste. Erwin, uulit. Wala pa rin. 2-pointer score. Dalawa lang ang kalamangan na 14-12 in favor of the defensive team. Trey Young, fake, hesitate. Uy! Nice layup. Bumabawi si Trey Young. Off night to last game Uy! Steal! By Baste! Baste! Downhill! Uy! Uy, Trey Young again! 2-pointer. Nice shot by Baste. 16-14. Bash. No good. Malakas sa board. Time remaining 1 minute and 41 of the first half. Up, steam. Agawan. Nakuha ni Bon. Bon. On. Traveling. Traveling violation. One minute and 14 seconds. First half. Jester, 2-pointer. Sayang. Erwin. Didiskarte. Oy, bad pass. Pass to Jester. Jester. 3v1. Uy, nag-supply pa ng buhok. Check! 44 seconds. 2 points by Shaq. 20-14. Anim. 6-point lead. 34 seconds. Ball. Pass to Bash. Bash. Pass to Erwin. Erwin. Nabigla. Atid. Nice layup. Husay. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Second half. Change score tayo. 16-20. Kanino bola kanina? Sa miss. Other side naman, other side. 16-20. Bash. Ang ganda naman nun. Mahusay katid. Jester. Aatake. Namuelsa. Foul daw.
Toyo!
Wala na to space Baste, 3-pointer. Score. 3 points by Baste. 23-18. Natagtagan pa. Ay, ano na sila? Nag-switch na ba yan? Lamang sila. Ayun. Jester. Castro, dumidiskarte. Uy! Nakita si Trey Young. Trey Young, malakas. Chance goal. Pass. 6 minutes and 45. Matagal pa yan. Uy! Nice block again! Taas tumalo na. Castro, tubaste. Nadagdagan pa, 25-18. 6 minutes and 31. Bawi. Crossover. Bash, 2-pointer. Jester. Uy! Walang tawag. Castro. Malakas. 6 minutes and 4 seconds. 25-18. Long 2. Long good. 5 minutes and 54. Bash. 2-pointer. Oy. Ayaw pumasok. Hindi na to. Hindi na to si Trey Young. Trey Young. Pass to baste. 5 minutes. Bash. 2 points. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Parang ano ah. Uy! Woo! Gandang pasa.
Bola ito. Baboy.
No good.
Tuyo.
Steal!
Back spin. Hindi mo kaya.
Shot.
Baby shock na. Ayun.
Ano yan? Nalaglag. Castro again. Trey Young. 3-pointer. Wow. 3 points. 30-18. Naku po, natambakan pa lang. Bash. 4 minutes and 41. Screen. 3-pointer. Tagilid. Bad pass.
Bye.
Jester, 101.
Yan, kaya mo
2
na yan.
points. Ano yan? Wala, knockout ka, knockout. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 6 seconds. 3-pointer. Too strong. Erwin with the rebound. Si Aten. Atake, teardrop. 2 points. 32-18. Alas. 20-30. Sampo. Bash. Umwersa. Hindi natinag si Shaquille O'Neal. Oy, pass to Jester, Jester. Malakas. 3v2. Ay, sayang chance ball. Nice fake. Offensive rebound. 1 foot. Ball. Lelay up. Uy. Clutch. Layup. No good. Jester. Pass to baste. Baste. Pasok ba? Short. Kala ko reckless eh. 30-20, 10, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Running time po tayo at 2 minutes and 32 seconds. 10 ang kalamangan. Bash, 3-pointer. No good. Power rebound by Castro. Castro. To Jester. Baste, long two. Too strong. Uy! Anong tawag? Foul. Pushing foul. By Trey Young. 30-20. Last 1 minute and 54 seconds. Uy, crossover. Uy, sobra na yun ah. 2 points by Eljan. Nabawasan ng lamang, 8 na lang. Bastig, behind the back. Hindi naagawan. Bastig again, lay up. Foul. Castro, pass to Jester, floater. No good. Eljan. 1v1, layup, pass, 2-pointer. 46 seconds. 30-24. Basket. Treya Inagawan. 2 points by Treya. 32-24. 29 seconds. Oy, nice layup. 26-32. 19 seconds. Chester. Treya. Uy! Big step. Last 8 seconds. 32-26. Last possession, 32-26 in favor of the defensive team. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang nanalo, Team Castro. Okay. Next 10. Kapunde.
Countdown daw kasi.
Sino pwede mag-check niya? Okay, next. Yung mga nakalista dito ha. Yung mga nakalista dito. Kung hindi pa kayo nakalista dito, palasabi na lang ha. Fish.
Criminal na. Criminal na.
Si Keeper.
Isang mahalan.
Kaya po na.
Dalawa kayo naman
Okay.
yung halan ni Matya.
Si Keeper. Kailangan ko natin si Keeper.
Baka ako pa yung
Si Vigori ng dito eh.
Sino pa yung mga nakakita? Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Pakinggan mo na isa. Meron tayong bagong player si Keeper. Pag mo na isa. Next naman na isa.
Labas. Uwi na tayo. Aras na.
papahinga lang ako.
Bigay mo na tayo isa. Bigay mo na isa. Sobra kayo 11. Si Keeper hindi pa nakakalaro. Priority natin yung number 20. Hindi pa nakakalaro. Bigay mo na isa. Kaya mo na isa. Yung susunod dyan, kayo naman. Matagal-tagal pa naman tayo. Bigay mo na isa. Sino mo na? Sino? Bigay mo na isa. Ito, hindi pa nakapaglaro ikaw. Bigay mo na isa. Sige na. Kayo na next. Kayo na next. Kasi na po. Mabilis lang